Hey there, everybody. Life is a journey, full of twists and turns, highs and lows. Sometimes those lows come in the form of rejection. It could be a job application, a romantic interest, a creative pursuit. Whatever it is, rejection can sting. But you know what? It's a part of life. Everybody gets rejected at some point. Today we're going to talk about 13 powerful lessons that rejection can teach us. So, if you're ready to turn those no's into know-hows and those setbacks into comebacks, buckle up. This one's for you. The first step to overcoming anything is to acknowledge it. Don't try to sweep rejection under the rug or pretend it doesn't hurt. It's real and it's okay to feel those feelings. But here's the thing. Rejection is not a full stop. It's a comma, a moment to reflect, to learn, and to redirect your energy. Think of it as the universe's way of course-correcting you. When you can shift your mindset to see rejection not as a personal failure, but as a redirection, that's when the magic happens. That's when you start to see the lessons hidden within the challenges. So, embrace the rejection. Don't run from it. Because within that discomfort lies the seed of your greatest transformation. Think about a time you experienced a rejection that really stung. When you can look back at those experiences with a discerning eye, you'll start to see the valuable lessons they held. What went wrong? What could you have done differently? Were there any red flags you might have missed? These are the questions that can help you extract wisdom from rejection. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone to it. Every stumble, every setback, every no is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to come back stronger. So don't be afraid to fail. Embrace it, analyze it, and most importantly, learn from it. Because those lessons, my friends, are priceless. Life isn't always going to be sunshine and roses. There will be storms, challenges, and rejections. But what separates those who succeed from those who don't is resilience. It's that ability to bounce back from adversity, to dust yourself off and try again, even when it's tough. Building resilience is like developing a thick skin. It's about not taking things personally, about understanding that not every no is a reflection of your worth. It's about having the courage to keep going, even when you want to give up. That kind of resilience is a superpower. So, cultivate that resilience. Embrace the challenges, because it's in those moments of adversity that you discover your true strength. Chapter 4. Stay persistent. Maya Angelou once said, "You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated." Persistence is key. It's about not giving up on your dreams, even when the going gets tough. It's about having the tenacity to keep knocking on doors, even if they've been slammed in your face before. Rejection is often a test of your commitment, your passion, your belief in yourself, and the only way to fail that test is to give up. So stay persistent, stay focused, and never ever give up on what sets your soul on fire, because persistence is the path to success. Chapter 5. Seek feedback. When you're hit with rejection, it can be tempting to retreat into yourself, but sometimes the most valuable insights come from seeking feedback. Talk to someone you trust, someone who can give you an honest assessment of the situation. Ask them what they think went wrong, what you could have done differently. Constructive criticism can be incredibly valuable. It can help you identify blind spots, refine your approach, and come back even stronger. So don't be afraid to ask for feedback. It's a gift, even when it's wrapped in sandpaper. Chapter 6. Focus on what you can control. One of the most liberating things you can do in life is to let go of what you can't control. You can't control other people's actions, their opinions, or their decisions. The only thing you can control is yourself. Your thoughts, your actions, your reactions. When you focus on what you can control, you empower yourself. So when it comes to rejection, focus on your response, because that's where your true power lies. Chapter 7. Reframe your mindset. Our minds are powerful things. They can be our greatest allies or our worst enemies. The way we choose to frame our experiences can have a profound impact on our lives. So, when it comes to rejection, it's time to reframe that mindset. Instead of seeing it as a failure, see it as a redirection. Remember, every no is bringing you closer to a yes. Choose to see the good, choose to find the lessons, choose to believe in yourself and your journey. Chapter 8. Develop self-compassion. When you're facing rejection, it's easy to be hard on yourself, but you deserve your own kindness, just as much as anyone else. Treat yourself with the same compassion and understanding that you would offer a dear friend. Learn from it, grow from it, and then let it go. You are worthy of love and acceptance, starting with the love and acceptance you give yourself. Chapter 9. Use rejection as motivation. Sometimes rejection can be the greatest motivator. It can light a fire under you. Ignite a passion within you that you never knew existed. Use that rejection as fuel. Use it to prove to yourself and to the world what you're capable of. Channel that energy into your craft, into your passions, into becoming the best version of yourself. Because sometimes, the greatest successes are born out of the ashes of rejection. Chapter 10. You are not alone on this journey. One of the most powerful things you can do is to surround yourself with a supportive community. Connect with people who inspire you, who lift you up, who believe in your dreams. Network, build relationships, and learn from others who have been through similar experiences. Share your stories, your struggles, your triumphs, because when we support each other, we rise together. Chapter 11. Practice patience. Good things take time. Success is not a destination, it's a journey. And sometimes, that journey is filled with detours, roadblocks, and yes, even rejections. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with the process. Trust that things are unfolding as they should, even if you can't see the bigger picture just yet. Keep working hard, keep learning, keep growing, and trust that the universe has a plan for you. Chapter 12. Stay true to your values. In the face of rejection, it can be tempting to compromise your values. But true success comes from staying true to yourself, to your beliefs, to your core values. Don't let rejection dim your light. Don't let it make you question your worth. Stand tall, hold your head high, and never be afraid to be your authentic self. Because the right opportunities will come along. Opportunities that align with who you are and what you stand for. Chapter 13. Celebrate small wins. The journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint. And just like in a marathon, it's important to celebrate those milestones along the way. Don't wait until you reach the finish line to acknowledge your progress. Celebrate those small wins, acknowledge your efforts, because those small victories add up, and they fuel your motivation to keep going. Outgrow you are not your rejections. So there you have it, 13 powerful lessons that rejection can teach us. Remember, rejection is a part of life, it's inevitable. But it doesn't have to define you. It's not a full stop, it's a comma. Embrace the lessons, cultivate resilience, and never, ever give up on your dreams. You are worthy, you are capable, and you are destined for great things. Now go out there and show the world what you're made of.